Now Stafford.
Got the interception. Let's go. Come on, Gordon. Let's get it. That's great coverage. Come on. Just a little bit out of his range. So we're going to try it. Shoot. I probably missed. Let's go. Let's get it, man. Come on, we going for it. Come on. And we getting the touchdown, Caleb. Let's go, man. I was like, we got to go for this. We got to get points while we have a chance. I couldn't see myself settling for another field goal that close. Woo! Let's go, Jalen. Why didn't he pick up the block over there? If he had blocked him, I would have been able to get a field goal.
As the ball arrived in the receiver.
Play action, come on! Commit! Touchdown. Another fourth down, we went for it, bro. This is another interception, Stafford. Oh, man, Stafford is playing for the Bears. Oh, my goodness, is that the fourth interception? Stafford! This is bad, man. This is embarrassing. Let's get it. Y'all see that final score? That's what I need Chicago to do on Sunday. I need that exact final score.